Our ramen originated in Fukuoka, the Hakata style of ramen. I've eaten a lot of ramen, and I'm really proud of the one we've put together. At our core, it's a really great dish. So this Kotsu Ramen really is our test facility where we test out all of our, hopefully, good ideas. This is actually the first restaurant where we did put Lightspeed in, and we've learned so much through that process about how much our point of sale system can impact how we operate. Ramen can be a little complex or a little intimidating. So having a point of sale system that helps us guide our guests through that process is really helpful. So one of the things we do, for example, is design our POS setup on each individual item and ensuring we're asking the right questions of our guests to deliver that optimum guest experience. The Order Anywhere platform is set up exactly the same way. We have a QR code at the start of our restaurant. Guests scan that QR code, they can sit down, they can place an order. Those flows match, and that's really, really important. The pandemic was an interesting time. It had big effects on restaurants, and we learned a lot of lessons as an industry. One of those lessons I think most people learned was that technology is going to be part of our solutions, whether that's part of our customer experience, whether that's in terms of customer online ordering, delivery, or really great analytics. So having the payments integrated with the point of sale system is really important because that's what gives us a lot of that data that we really need. I can see the sales by hour and really get a granular idea of when we're seeing good business and trying to tie that back to time of day and weather and all these kinds of things. Lightspeed Restaurant gives us a great analytic tool that on one axis tells us how many sales we've had of a given item, and on the other axis says how much of that is driving repeat business. You can look at an item and say, I love this item, it sells really well, but you know what? People come here and they try it and then they don't come back. Or this item I didn't think was a big deal, but the customers that come for this, they love it. They come back over and over again. That kind of data drives really good decisions about what needs to be on our menu, what belongs there, and what makes sense. Based on this experience with Lightspeed Restaurant, I absolutely think we're going to extend this out to our other restaurants. The best kinds of technology solutions are ones in which we don't even realize we're using it. As great as Lightspeed has been for us, we don't think about it day to day. It's just one of our tools. It's like picking up a knife in the kitchen. It does its job consistently, it does it well, and it helps us spend our time focused on what really matters for our business.